Respected sir and all my dear friends, good afternoon everybody. Today I have got a golden chance to speak something before you on the topic that is power of democracy. As far as my opinion is concerned, I would like to say that democracy gives every citizen the right to choose their government. Every vote is valuable and every voice matters. A strong democracy builds on equality, justice and freedom. Citizens should participate responsibly and respect different opinions. Together we can make our country a stronger and more developed. Every citizen must obey the law, protect public property and work for the welfare of society. When people stay united, act responsibly and citizens and democracy becomes stronger every day. Keeping all these things in mind, I can say that democracy is the greatest strength of a nation and its success depends on responsible and aware citizens. With this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.